Hey everybody, Happy Matson here. Progress being made on the CB77. We got a lot going on here. Next step, hone in these cylinders. Sandblasting all the gray bits. And then exploring the wheels. Got the new tires in. Tires are hanging out. Tons of new parts. Tons of new parts there. And really getting organized. That's what's been happening here today. So much work to do. But we're making progress, and I think we've got some glimpses as far as what's coming. Next project up is getting these handlebars and switches all figured out. But let's see where we're at. And here's where we at, that beautiful blue frame. Gas tank covers are done, headers are done. Started some polishing on some side covers. And it's all starting to slowly come together. There's some patina here. Did a really nice job restoring this. Love that. That brake fluid on those rubber pieces works great. All of this is polished. The headers came out pretty good. There are a couple nicks and stuff. It could be re-chromed, but man, looks good. And we made some nice progress there. Restored all of that. Starting to see the vision. Look at that reflection in that Honda cover. That's beautiful. Love it. Today I worked on, got the valves out. Valves all look good. I'll get those all reseated. Good to go. Tore apart the carburetor, at least one of the carburetors. I've never done one of these before, so I just kind of wanted to see what I was getting into. Pistons are out. Gotta tear that one down yet. And then honing on this. I think I'm going to get away with the hone. We'll see. We'll see what happens there. Tons of parts have been showing up. Boom. Nice. Brand new tires in the shop for this thing. And then on the next live stream, when that happens, when I'm feeling a little better, we'll go at it. Look at this. New seat cover. Might as well set that right there, because that's where that's going. Brand new. I'm telling you, I'm going to introduce you to a website, to a new website that I discovered. I got the right hone. Got to stop myself. I'm going to dive into all this stuff right now. But really just been getting organized on everything. Got all my aluminum that needs to be polished. And that engine, man, rocking and rolling, staying organized. Valves look fine. Everything looks fine, all right? It's just too bad that those pistons were seized up. And we had to deal with that. And then down in here, inside the evaporust, is our front wheel and all the kind of chrome bits. They're all in there. We'll get back at it, guys. I promise you. Just kind of doing the slow and steady stuff. Here's all the 125 stuff. There's that 125S hanging out, waiting to get done. Whew. What you been working on, everybody? What you been working on? Let me know in the comments. This thing. We're going to get it. See you in the next video or live stream.